Halo, my name is Yuriko Putri Agustin. I am from class HK21F. In this video, I will explain about the guide on how to make a land sale and purchase deed. Guide on how to make a deed of sale and purchase of land. The deed of sale and purchase of land might be familiar to people who want to buy a plot of land. With or without a building on it, this document can be legal evidence of the transfer of right from the old owner to seller to the new owner to buyer. Unfortunately, not many are familiar with how to make a land sale and purchase deed because of the complexity of the bureaucracy that must be understood. Condition for making a deed of sale and purchase of land. Seller prepaid fields. 1. Photocopy of marriage certificate. 2. If already married. 2. Photocopy of ID card. 3. Photocopy of KK or family card. 4. Land certificate. 5. The original United Nations last year. 6. STTS to deposit receipt letter from the seller's PBB. 7. Photocopy of NPWP. Seller prepared fields. What the seller needs to pay attention to regarding these fields is the issue of land certificates. Make sure the land certificate to be brought to PPAT is original and can be accounted for. Also make sure there is no block from the police, court or private person on the land certificate. The block on the land certificate indicates that the status of the land is still problematic. To solve this, the owner can submit a land registration certificate to SKPT to the local kelurahan office so that it can be seen which party is blocked. The block on the land certificate indicates that the status of the land is still problematic. To solve this, the owner can submit a land registration certificate to SKPT to the local kelurahan office so that if it can be seen which party is blocking and what the problem is king and what the problem is. Buyer prepared fields. The fields that the buyer prepares are much simpler than the sellers. If you are the buyer, these documents need to be complete. 1. Photocopy of ID card. 2. Photocopy of KK to family card. 3. Photocopy of marriage certificate to if already married. 4. Photocopy of NPWP. Where to take care of the deed of sale and purchase of land? The PPTA in a registration is only authorized to make deeds in that registration. So, its Jakarta PPTA is not authorized to make AJB in Bekasi and vice versa. You need to visit the PPTA in the area of land that you are buying or selling to make the AJB. If there is no PPTA in the area where your land is located, you can still take care of the sale and purchase deed at the local substitute deed. The Camat acts as a temporary PPTA which also serves the making of the deed of sale and purchase of land. The Camat here is appointed as PPTA for remote areas that do not yet have PPTA. How to make a deed of sale and purchase of land? 1. Inspection of land certificates and PBB. The deed of sale and purchase of land will protect transaction of certificate land. To prove it, you need to include 1. Photocopy on original document of land certificates. 2. Proof of PBB payment. 3. Identity of seller and buyer. 1. Land certificates check and PBB. Later, PPAT will look at the compatibility of technical and legal data between the certificate and the land books at the land office of the National Land Agency. This is done by PPAT to find out that the land in question is not a legal dispute, is not being assessed as collateral or in being confiscated by another party. In addition, PPAT will also check STTS or PBB deposit receipts. This document is important to ensure that the land to be burned is not tax errors. Number 2. Overall of husband or wife, especially for sellers who are married, must include proof of overall from husband or wife. Why? Because when someone gets married, their property will be mixed, including land rights. The form of consent of the husband or wife is honed by signing a special agreement letter. What if the seller husband or wife has deed? If this is the case, the seller need to cancel an additional document in the form of a deed conceived from the executor's office. The land rights of the cestimate spouse will be based on the children of the marriage. Therefore, there are obliged to provide consent in the AJB in lieu of the consent of the husband or wife. If the husband or wife for some reason cannot seek the AJB, then a letter of afarala to sell must be made for before a notary. A letter of afarala is not required if from the start the husband and wife who sell the land have made an agreement on the separation of assets. Number 3. Signing of sale and purchase deed. After the documents have been complete, verified, and the relevant parties have also given their overall file, the next step in the signing of the deed, the signature process, can be carried out by both the seller and the buyer present at the time. This process must be answered by a minimum of 2 business who generally come from the PPAT office concerned or to notary employees. If asking the service of a notary, the signing state indicates that AJB has been completed and is legal in the eyes of the law. Number 4. Rename process. The last process that buyers need to go through is not change the owner name with his name, or what is known as behind the name. In order to be able to change the name, the PPAT official will ask the buyer to make a letter of application for the name change. After the AJB is complete, the PPAT office will submit several documents of the sale and purchase deed along with our place, such as a transfer of name, application letter, land certificate, photocopy of the seller and buyer ID card, and the statement of PBB and BPTHD to the land office. The buyer will then refresh or repeat. After that, the seller name will be crossed out in black ink, then entered by the land office. When will the name of the new owner will be written on flags and columns in the land book, and the certificates will also be signed by the land office. After 14 working days, the new owner can take this certificate that has been renamed.